right, good morning, North Iowa. This is your weather report for the week. Um, Everybody's talking about this big one coming in Tuesday night into Wednesday, and yes, it looks like it's going to be a doozy out there. Let me show you what it looks like. Only a couple models are in play right now. We're still quite a ways out. So some of the shorter range models are not ready to go yet, but we can show you a couple of my favorites. And in doing so, what we're looking at is we're going to start with the North American model, and then we'll go to the North American model for the national storm prediction, and take a look at what we're showing here. First thing we're taking a look at is the precipitation type. And as we walk through this, we are starting at 3 a.m. this morning, and kind of walking through what's going to transpire. So we're looking at, we should see some rain start falling at about, let's see, 9 o'clock tonight. We should get some scattered showers rolling in. By 6 a.m. Tuesday morning, you can start to see off into the Dakotas that snow is starting to come in. And by noon on Tuesday, we are still in this area, we're still water, but there is some ice and snow coming at us. And as we walk through, you can see that snow starts to hit us about 9 p.m. Tuesday night. And we keep walking through. It should be gone by noon on Wednesday is where it should be gone. Now, the other problem to keep aware of, and I want to bring your attention to these black lines, these circles right here. The closer those lines are together, the more wind speed we have. And that's going to be the danger of this one, is that as we look at this snow, these lines are extremely close together, which means we're going to have some seriously high winds with this one. That is your North American model. If we kick over to the storm prediction part of it, again, as we walk through, you can see the rain coming in first, the snow forming behind it, that low pressure system right here, the low pressure system, and the tightly packed wind lines all coming through. We are getting something. There is no way we're getting out of this. So the question is, how much? And the models differ a little bit here. I know the prediction right now, they're saying 4 to 6 or 6 to 10. Take a look at what we have going on as we walk through this. And we're bringing this up. So this is the storm prediction model. We should start seeing some flurries again right at 9 o'clock. The models are pretty consistent with this. Right about 9 o'clock, we should start seeing some snow. And then the snow is very heavy because we're at 6 a.m. Wednesday morning. And we're showing for our area, this model showing 7 to 8 inches of snow. And by the time the storm is over and goes through, we're talking almost 9 inches of snow with this model. Now, if we kick over to the North American model, and we do the snow totals again, you can see the timing's about the same, but this model has it much higher, with us being in a little bundle of anywhere from 10 to 14 inches. Please, please, please be aware that this far out, the models still can overestimate the snow totals. I would guess that this is going to be about half. So instead, I would also go with that 6 to 10 range. We will know more when we can get to the high res and the wrap. Once those two models come into play, and that'll be sometime tonight around 6 o'clock, they'll be extended out, able to see what's going on. If we hit over to that, even this one is starting to come into play. As we get towards the end of its model run, you can see it's starting to show snow, and it's heavier snow. So my guess is we're still in that heavy range as this one starts putting in. Um, as always, remember, this is your most reliable, unreliable weather report. But Wednesday's not looking good, guys. So have a good day. Take care of each other out there.